In this micro TV, we will demo the back and forward functionality within the ICN application, which is a new feature of ICN 3012. Let's have a demo. Login Application Navigator. Click hamburger button on the top left. Click Browse. We will see Save History in Browse History list. The function supports folder change. When I change the folder to Kelvin and click Back button, it will go back to the FNOS folder. I click the Forward, it will go back to Kelvin folder. If I open Add Document dialog and then click Backward button, it will close the Add Documents dialog and back to FNOS folder. Let's go to Home panel. In this panel, I enabled Favorite tabs and my Sync Files tab. If I click different tabs here and then click Back button, it will go back to the last step. If I click the Forward button, it will go back to the current tabs. And in this view, we support the folder change within the Favorite tab. For example, I click Test folder and click Back button. It will change back to Favorite tab. Click Forward, it will go to the Test folder. In previous version, if I change the repository in search, here for example, I change the repository from FNOS to PH workflow. The browser view will change as well. Let's check. But now, the repository in browser view will not change. It is FNOS. And Add Document will change the repository to the last selection of search view or browser view. Last time, we are in browser view in FNOS. So here is also FNOS. If we click Back button, it will close the Add Documents dialog and go to Search View, and the repository is PH Workflow. Another thing we need to mention is, if we reload the application, it will clear the history list. All the actions before reload will be lost. Okay, if you have anything you want to know for the back and forward functionality in ICN 3012, please contact IBM Technical Support Team by opening case. Thank you. Bye-bye.